तासीर मासलाई मुकवी खास जवाहिरदार खासुल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस कस्तूरी अमरी कोर्स प्लस प्लैटिनियम खासुल खास थेरेपी. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are doing well. Today we will explain about the course which name is Tasir Al Maslai Mukawi Khas Wahirdar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Amri course plus Platinum Khasul Khas Therapy offered by Tasir Dawakhana registered. This course is prepared for the male weakness patients to cure their disease. This course is especially made for wealthy, lord and rich people. Now I will brief you what is Tasir Al Maslai Mukawi Khas Khasul Khas Wahirdar Herbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Amri course plus Platinum Khasul Khas Therapy. How it can cure the disease male weakness, why male weakness happens, its symptoms, reasons of this disease. Sexual health is an important part of man's life, no matter his age, civil status or sexual orientation. It is also an important part of couple's foundation and contribute to the quality of life. Sexual problems in men are very common and impact sexual health. Many problems with sexual health can be treated. The sexual dysfunction is the inability to have a satisfactory sexual relationship. In general, sexual dysfunction can affect the quality of life and even more importantly, can be the first symptoms of another medical or psychological problem. Any sexual complaint should be taken seriously and evaluated. Causes: low testosterone level, prescription drugs, antidepressants, high blood pressure medicine, blood vessel disorders such as atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries and high blood pressure, stroke or nerve damage from diabetes or surgery. Smoking, alcoholism and drugs abuse. Psychological causes might include concern about sexual performance, marital or relationship problems, depression, feeling of guilt. Effect of past sexual trauma. Work-related stress and anxiety. Masturbation. Masturbation is self-stimulating your genitals in a sexual way to the point of reaching an orgasm. Masturbation is when an individual stimulates their genital for sexual pleasure, which may or may not lead to orgasm. Masturbation is common among men of all ages. Masturbation will causes. Among men of all ages, masturbation will causes blindness, hair fall, hair palms, impotence later in life, erectile dysfunction, penis shrinkage, penis curvature, low sperm count, mental illness, physical weakness, pornography. Representation of sexual behavior in books, pictures, statues, motion pictures and other media that is intended to cause sexual excitement. Effects of pornography. Pornography significantly distorts attitude and perception about the nature of sexual intercourse. Men who habitually look at pornography have a higher tolerance for abnormal sexual behavior, sexual aggression, promiscuity and even rape. In addition, men being to view women and even children as sex objects, commodities or instruments for their pleasure, not as persons with their own inherent dignity. How does sexual dysfunction affect men? The most common problems men face with sexual dysfunction are troubles with ejaculation, getting and keeping an erection, and reduced sexual desire. Indications: premature ejaculation, ejaculation that occurs before the too soon after penetration. Inhabit or delayed ejaculation, ejaculation does not happen to take a very long time. Retrograde ejaculation, at orgasm the ejaculate is forced back into the bladder rather than through the end of the penis. Stress, temporary depression, low self-confidence, lack of communication or unresolved conflict with partner. Type of disease: premature ejaculation, an inability to delay orgasm and ejaculation such that the occurs very early in the course of sexual contact. Leaving the other partner dissatisfied, such as the ability to control ejaculation in men lost during intercourse before the penis into the vagina, or just plug and ejaculation is or less than 50% of the frequency of orgasm in sexual intercourse to the define premature ejaculation. Causes of premature ejaculation: some people think that spinal cord disease such as multiple sclerosis or spinal cord traumas. Seizures, cerebral cortex, organic disease such as cerebrovascular accident can cause ejaculation out of control. There are also reports suggest diabetes, cardiovascular disease, pelvic fracture, genitourinary system disease, urethritis, prostatitis, spinal and prostatic hyperplasia, masturbation, nightfall, bisexual, porn videos, adult magazines and other sexual content can also cause premature ejaculation. Retrograde ejaculation is most common in males with diabetes who suffer from diabetes nerve damage. Problem with the nerves in the bladder neck force the ejaculate to flow backward. In other men, retrograde ejaculation may be a side effect of some medication or happen after an operation on the bladder, neck or prostate. Nightfall. Nightfall discharge is the condition when some men ejaculate in sleep, usually in the early hours of the morning or late night. This problem usually worsens due to the weakness in muscles and nerves of the penis due to past bad history of excessive masturbation. Thinning of semen viscosity. Fluctuation in hormones and a full bladder, usually men are able to hold the semen, but when they excess, then it is eliminated in the form of nightfall or late night. Men are able to hold the semen, but when it excesses, then it is eliminated in the form of nightfall. What is low libido? Reduced sexual desire. Low libido means your desire or interest in sex has decreased. The condition is often linked with low level of the male hormones. Testosterone maintains sex drive, sperm productions, muscles, hair and bone. Low testosterone can affect your body and mood. Reduced sexual desire may also be caused by depression, anxiety or relationship difficulties. Diabetes, high blood pressure and certain medication like antidepressant may also contribute to a low libido. Other type of penis problems: inflection in penis, loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from root, ring in middle of penis, paralyzed penis. Special effects. This course is especially made for wealthy lords and rich people. तासीर अलमास लाई मुकव्वी खास जवायदार खासुल खास हर्बल शादी course plus कस्तूरी अमरी course plus platinum खासुल खास therapy has some special herbals. Those quality is to achieve the gain of centimeter in penis length and especially the gift to help get your confidence and sexually satisfying experience, which is especially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and weight problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. Treatment. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Almas Lai Mukawwi Khas Khasul Khas Jawaherdar Harbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Amri course plus Platinum Khasul Khas therapy by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientist of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, worked under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Almas Lai Mukawwi Khas Khasul Khas Jawaherdar Harbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Amri course plus Platinum Khasul Khas therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. This course is a special and expensive course consists of 6 products. Tila Mutawal Almas Lai plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas is very smooth and soft because it's having water, not fat or other fat contains things. This leads to greater firmness in the penile organs, increase the penile tissues, encouragement, better lasting erection, and much lesser occurrence of premature ejaculation. So effects can be seen almost immediately after the application. Increase or penile size and only minimal chances of to early ejaculation. Tila Mutawal Almas Lai plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas is used by people who suffer from erectile dysfunction in all forms, which can be a long-term self problem or a more on and off unpredictable condition. To use massage and end first, then down the full length of the penis. A sensation will occur immediately. Majun Mughallaz Almas Lai plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas is a miraculous herbal supplement that helps in promoting spermatogenesis by its action improving the function of the testicles, that includes testicles, seminal vesicle and epididymis functions. Majun Mughallaz Almas Lai plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas help in improving the sperm count and is also beneficial in raising the quality of semen. It is the certified natural herbs formulation that not only improves the sperm count but also the morphology as well as sperm motility. Lahub-e-Azam Almas Lai plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas helps maintain the health and functioning of entire physiology. It increases longevity, memory and intelligence, enhances immunity, elevates energy levels, decreases the effects of again and enhance overall well-being. Lahub-e-Azam Almas Lai plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas is effective in strengthening the heart and liver muscles, enhanced concentration, controlling blood pressure, maintain and normal pulse rate and other heart diseases. Spoof Almas Life plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas. Increase your low sperm count and volume. As you have already noticed, sperm enhancement is a brand new idea from the impotence and erectile dysfunction drug industry, as well as it is used for increasing sperm production. If you suffer from low sperm count, now Lubub Azam Almas Life plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas will raise sperm count. The natural ingredients in it are well selected in order to improve sperm counts as well as power up your sexual life. Give you rock hard erection duration and make you a real champion in bed. It is 100% natural herbal and has no known side effects. Khamira Almas Life plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas. It stimulates the functioning of all major organs of the body and gives a feeling of well-being. It can strengthen the activity of brain cells, inhibit their premature aging, and promote the returns of the cerebral function or to normal. An effective herbal tonic for silence, stability, and quick recovery after prolonged. It is formulated by the collection of the ingredients beneficial for heart and brain, which serves as a nervine and cardiac tonic. Khamira Almas Life plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas is particularly useful in removing the weakness of heart, strengthens the brain and liver, and is the chief potent tonic during the convalescent period. First one. Quickly improve brain and liver function by providing the nutrients. Second, it is an effective, complete cardiac tonic. Third, improve stamina and endurance. Fourth, increase energy level. 5, superiors physical and athletic performance. 6, improves for blood circulation. Khamira Almas Life plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas much harder erection, more stamina and increase in size, more player, more powerful erection, completely your premature ejaculation. Naturally boost your sexual desire or sexual life you have always dreamed. Khamira Almas Life plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas enhance your sexual pleasure. It's really boosts your sexual desire, strength, sexual performance and energy. We have developed a safe and unique herbal formula that make your sexual energy explodes. Reduce erectile dysfunction. We develop a Khamira Almas Life plus Kasturi Amri plus Platinum Khasul Khas, all from natural plants, seeds, berries, roots, leaves, bark and flowers, extracting from all natural herbs. Sign up unlimited sexual power, works within 30 to 45 minutes and enjoy whole night. Its unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow, because the ingredients in Tasir Almas Life, Mukawwi Khas, Jawaidar Khasul Khas Herbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Amri course plus Platinum Khasul Khas therapy. Highest quality and verified or purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose courses, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Now I will tell you precaution about this course. After researching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discover the safe and effective method of effective Tasir Almas Life, Mukawwi Khas, Khasul Khas, Jawaidar Herbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Amri course plus Platinum Khasul Khas therapy, and complete cures of restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that is the only cure which does not have any side effects. Avoid hot and drugs altogether. Light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature and movies. Avoid spicy foods and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. So viewers, if you or your known person has male weakness problem, then come to Tasir Dawakhana and use Tasir Almas Life, Mukawwi Khas, Khasul Khas, Jawaidar Herbal Shadi course plus Kasturi Amri course plus Platinum Khasul Khas therapy, which will cure all infertility disease and male weakness problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like, I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.